We back on the mining game, and we're gonna do some mining, like we always do. Um, had some thing playing in the background and just stopped. That's all good. They ain't gonna stop us from mining. Probably just gonna be another chill one. I don't know. Just went to turn my light off real quick, and I guess I'm just gonna go straight to mining. Like, might as well. And when we get some more money, go buy some stuff, you know? We just up. Yeah, it looks better. I can actually see things. I don't know why my thing just stopped playing. Alright, let's see what we can find, guys. Yeah! Oh my goodness. Is this tin or silver? It's tin. It's gotta be tin. There we go. Aluminium. Holy. Add that in there. Where's this guy, bro? You go. Holy brother, what are you doing? Let's go steal this guy's stuff. Go out, take that. Take some aluminium too. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, bro. This is a free cave. Everyone's got free right to mine. Holy. We found a massive aluminium deposit. Bro, I don't know why I can't speak. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Even more over here. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take some of this stuff. Some silver. Take that. Take that. No, I'll let them have some of that. Some more silver. We take this too. Topaz, we take that 100%. Oh, we're getting some goodies today. Emerald. Nice. We got some goodies down here. Titanium, emerald, topaz. I think that's max we can hold. Alright, let's go. Let's get a little spin around. Let's get it. I don't know what we can do with can this guy move out my way? What is this guy doing? Yeah, buzz off, little one. Young bud. Still clean. I don't even know how we can upgrade our gems, because they don't get smelted like the others. Cuts metal plates into mechanical parts. What does mechanical parts do? So, what do we even have at my base? Plates. That turned into bars. Can we move this? Can. So move this over here in the corner. Also, I might try and move things around. What can we do with pipes? Can we do anything with pipes? I don't think we can even do anything with pipes. Right. I wonder if we can. Dang. Or maybe instead, delete this. So we'll get Crusher here. God, I'm just locked in right now. I try by this and this. Let's get some more transport. How many can we buy? 4, 7. Bop, 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 bop. Nice. Okay. So that will crush into dust, that will turn into a brick, and that will make the brick more valuable. Can we do anything with bricks? Production. We can get a plate stamper. And could try get this. Bang. Alright, we got something going here. And we can also do building. Didn't know that. Try buy 5 of these. See how that is. That's so small. What is this even doing? I'm gonna buy about 10. We'll do 12, yeah. Alright guys, we're upgrading the base a little bit. Little by little, we upgrading this base. Bang, bang. Nice. I think we need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. Nice. Okay. At least we got some little wall up or something. Bruh. You have to spawn in the end. Well, we got something going here now. I'm liking how it's looking. Alright, let's go to the mines. Let's do this. That's the type of music I want to play in this video if I do edit it. Naruto. Just going down to the mines. Or some like nice calming music in the background. While we're going, making the base, going down into the mine. We zooming in here. Dang. Oh my god. What is going on here, brother? This guy gonna like... There we go. Decided to move. Oh my god. This went into the same fate, you could say. It just ends there. Thought there would be more than this. Mate, there's nothing down there. All we seen we got, mate. What will my one little explosive do? It's not bad. One combat. Let's take an emerald. Get some more silver. Put another bomb down. Nothing. Should dig straight like this. Come on, something. There's like nothing in here. Something. Oh yeah, it's nice. Aluminium. Not much. Copper. Cobalt, I mean. Yeah. I need some better explosives. Seems like they're doing some bombing. Take that silver, take that uranium. He's got a bank. Nah, I'll let him have it. Seems to be nothing. Holy, how much does this guy have? Bruh. So, is that all? What? Yeah, that's what we like. Yo! Abundance of aluminium. How's he mining so fast? Bro, he's taking everything! Diamond pickaxe, mate. Nice. Oh, I see, I'm going back. I also need to get a better bomb. Seems like it, because I cannot mine much without a bomb. See how our new thing was. Might get some more ores on the way back up. Yeah, we've got some silver. Oh no, 10. Add that one to the pot. Iron ore. Ten. 10. I can't even tell the difference. Take it anyways. Oh, gemstone. Alright, we full. Let's get it. What's she doing? Just standing there, bro. Creeping us out, bro. Dang. Zooming on the way home. 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 Let's see how our operation goes. Bang. Bop. Bop, boom. Pow. Getting these little gearboxes now. Here we're getting bricks. Nice. It's getting way more money. Mechanical parts. What the heck? Mechanical parts. Clay mixer. 2 dust together. It's made a brick mold. 25. Clay mixer 50. Bro. Swear, bro, he's doing that. I think my roommate just went and feed the dogs even though they've already ate. And mate, they're going overweight. I don't think he knows that, so I probably have to tell him tomorrow not to do that. So they eat way too much and then they just start stinking, farting all the time and they get fat. Like, they can barely move. Oh, so close to this one. Got more power. This is pretty good. I don't need more power. Let's hope this one's just as good. And I'll save up for the next one. Let's do this. Oh, she dodged that one. She dodging that one. Oh my god, they're turning into those Arabs that drive on one wheel in the sidecar. I don't even know what that means. Boots! Oh no, it was me who got. So look at this car. What am I riding, bro? Are we on Mars? Alright, let's go out here. Oh my goodness. Honk honk! Sorry for anyone who's trying to sleep, but just got woken up. Yeah. Alright, bro. Can you can you freaking move? See how well this does. Oh, that's pretty good. How long does that take? A little bit. What the heck? Oh, it's like a whole cabin. Holy. Oh, nice. Grab all this. That's what we like. Oops. Nice, so many too. Let's go. So much. Find this one. This one. This one. Dish one silver, we take that. Okay, we got some aluminium. Take that too. Don't mind if I do. Take that too. Aluminium. Take that one too. 1, 2, 3 to the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put that one there. Put that one in the pot. Stirring the pot today, baby. Cobalt. More cobalt. There's a lot of cobalt around here. Oh, tons of aluminium. Another big daddy there. Anything? Nah, not really. That one there. We got a full backpack. What is this, brother? Why do you not blow up this? Full went through here. Wasn't that much. Alright, we heading off. We missed one, but it's all good. Holy tight gap. We are on the road again. Ooh, we are on the road again. What building blocks do we even have? We got decorations too. Oh, that could be pretty cool. So we do this, and then we'll do this. We'll do two of these or something. I'm just gonna buy like 25 of them. We'll see how the base looks with those two. That also on there. Chuck all that in there. Nice. What is this? Why is it floating? What? What is this? Why is it so wool grading centered? Is this only in the center? You serious? Is it like another type one? Bro. Okay. I was meant to get this one, I think. Ah, there we go. That's much better. Bang, bang, bang. This could be the entrance, but I'm just gonna fully block it off for now. Because don't really need an entrance when there is no super easy to get in. Got something going. Could get an entrance here. Yeah, I'll say right here was pretty good. Let's go one more run. Get some more goodies. Wrong there. Anything? Lead. Diamond here, nice. How much is that worth? 1,500? Holy. This all away. So, still nothing. Another diamond? Holy cow. Ruby. Nice. Oh, aluminium. Two diamonds. Well, this guy's got the drill. He's got the drill, mate. Mate, he's gonna drill into me. Alright, pause. Holy aura. Give him a W for that, honestly. Another diamond. Oh my. We're gonna be balling today. Wonder how much space we got. We need to get one of those. Mining will be so much more faster. Alright, bro. Let's do that. We out. Got emerald. Got sapphire. Silver. I wonder if we can find any gems while going down here. Let's see another gem. Uranium. What's worth more? So uranium or silver? Uranium's worth more. Alright, let's take this back and get some cha-ching, cha-ching money. I was playing this Invincible game earlier. Recorded some videos on that. And I think tomorrow I might take some time to edit it, make it look good, put some music, I don't know, and I'm gonna post it, see if it gets any viewers. I feel like if anything I post, that one will be most likely to. I'm not sure about this series, if anyone will watch it, maybe later on. Like, because sometimes I'll be talking and then sometimes I won't. But yeah, I haven't really had any time. Well, I have had time to record, but I don't really like recording around people. Especially because my setup is outside in the garage where there's like a window where you can see into the garage and everyone can basically hear me speaking. So right now it's the middle of the night and no one's out at the moment. So I'm able to play in peace. Hopefully there'll be a time where I can play without being scared about being disturbed, you know, but it is what it is. We're here playing the game. Can't even get over my own wall. Great. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Nice. 500. Alright, look at this diamond. Oh, bing. Easy. We're bowling. So we can make like rings, explosives. Oh, I didn't even know you could do that too. So we got 20 grand. Can we buy any vehicles? 27 grand. Or we can buy the mini truck. Do we buy the? I feel like we got to buy the mini truck. From mini dumper to mini truck. Let's do it. Ah, mm, mm. Upgrade. Upgrade. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, this is nice. We got Big Dog in the building. I think this is how we're gonna end it off today. If anyone's actually watching this, give us a like and subscribe. And peace out, my brothers and sisters.